Hello fam, I'm back with yet another video on the DJI Mini 3 Pro drone. Today I will show you a video on MASTERSHOTs. In MASTERSHOT, the drone will however shoot a number of movements by a selection of your choice. In this case, it's my car. And it takes about roughly 2 minutes to complete, so make sure your drone is near full. You can change the quality of your video to 4K just by tapping the bottom of your screen recorder where you see the 1080p 30 setting. Now it does automatically set it to 1080p 30 frames per second, so be sure to set it up before you do master shots or quick shots. Hope you guys like this video. There's still yet to learn from this drone. If you like my video, you know what to do. Until then, have a good day fam. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.